Hi everyone, welcome back to Room Reviver. Today I'm going to show you an easy picture hanging hack that anyone can use. The only thing you need is these OOK hooks, the sawtooth hangers, and you can make any 2-hook picture frame. Super simple. You add this and only hang one. It works perfect for gallery walls. This is exactly how I hung my gallery wall, as you see here. Now let me show you and explain how to use these. So the easiest thing to do is put this on a flat surface. If there's glass on the front, on a frame, just be careful. I like to put extra padding down. So what you're gonna do is center this where you want it and feel free to measure. You'll know that, well, you'll find out that I like to eyeball a lot of things. Just measure when necessary. But all you need to do is get this where you need it. So I'm happy with this. Just hold it in place. Take your hammer. And voila. One screw in the wall and this puppy will be hanging. Thank you all so much for watching my video. Please make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel so I can make more, and please feel free to comment about anything you want to see in the future. See you soon!